Hi, I'm Aaron with Connect2, and today I'm sat in a 2018 Ford Mustang GT promoting our CTKPFD10 newly designed professional integration kit. You will notice our aftermarket head unit now works according to the steering wheel controls. I can change the channel, turn the volume up and down, and change the mode accordingly. We also have the HVAC unit system here, which retains your climate controls. If we have it on dual, we can change the zones independent to each other. Vice versa, take the dual off, it'll do it single zone. Now if you want to preset a temperature, you can hold and press the My Temp with your settings, and once you press that, it will automatically take it to your preset settings there. You can also choose the fan speed as well as the orientation. Now on the left side of the screen we have our heated seats buttons here, as well as the defrost, recirculation and window defoggers. Now the reverse camera is retained with our CTKPFD10 kit, so if I put it into reverse here, you'll notice that the reverse camera will showcase onto your new aftermarket head unit. We have also retained the parking sensors and redesigned the parking infographic, so if anything gets close to the bumper, it'll show you on screen. Another feature that has been retained is the reverse camera zoom. So using this button here, you can zoom in here, or if you want to see if you are really close to that curb, you can zoom the camera in there. In the menu, just here, you will get your vehicle settings, so time, date, distance and temperature. The ITC settings will correlate the brightness display for a day and night. In day, the display was silver. At night, the display goes to black, as well as touch volume, park brake source, camera delay, and such. Now the kit does come with English as standard, but you can change it to French, Spanish, Dutch, Italian, Turkish, and various other languages. So that's our CTKPFD10 kit. If you want more information, please head on over to our website at www.connect2.com, and also follow us on social media to keep up with the latest aftermarket innovations.